Hi, in this video I will show you how to check your previous weights on the Xiaomi Mi Body Composition Scale 2. It's very easy, all you need to do is to open Mi Fit app. Click on the View More. And there you have all your data about previous weighting. Scroll down to see all the data, like a percentage of water in your body or protein. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.